Everyone, my name is Yanda. Welcome back to my channel. Here today, I'm only just showing you how far am I with my job. So today I was ripping off the weeds like this, so that my food cannot be contaminated or come in contact with several diseases that comes with weeds. So I've been thinning my whole garden. As you can see that there's quite a space. This space is because some of them died. This is a Swiss chard. There's a Swiss chard again. This is a drumhead cabbage. I'll show you just now. Just want you to see these. I'm also growing beets. Growing them for my mother so that she can have them in her kitchen. I'll preserve them for her so that they will last a little bit longer. See tomatoes and peppers. You see peppers here, it's like a green pepper, but these are chili peppers. They are taking a lot of time growing. This is what we use to cultivate the soil so that there can be less weeds in our garden. Some of my cabbage has grown to an extent that it will be ripe soon enough. As you can see, I've been doing all of this all alone, from there all the way to there. Been doing this all alone. As you can see here, this cabbage has started molding, and I've pruned the dry leaves. When your cabbage starts to show this color, you should fertilize it, because cabbage needs more nitrogen as it grows. So most fertilizers have nitrogen nitrogen content in them, so it's better if you use them. See this one, it's even getting bigger. So today I'll be fertilizing them again so that they can gain more inches on their diameter. Then we can start harvesting them. Another thing here, we have a butternut squash. This one has died. As you can see here, it has rotten. This is the one that is still alive. Just showing you. Today I'll be eating a spinach because there's lots and lots and lots and lots of it. Remember, every time you should do this so as to allow air to pass through, and so that your spinach grows without any difficulties, just like that one over there. So removing weeds instead of putting chemicals most of the time I don't prefer chemicals, because chemicals end up making your soil not to come to for your crops. I use the eco-friendly ways to fight the weeds, except if it's in the bigger garden. It's in the big fields where you require a lot of pesticides and herbicides to control such things, because you cannot do something like this in a 5-hectare place or in a 5-hectare farm. You cannot do something like this. When will you get done? Because you can complete, and I do not want to act as if everything that I do remains a success. So in the past few weeks here, I planted tomato plants, and all those tomato plants have vanished just like that. I'm only left with onions, in which I tried to protect my tomatoes with, but because there was too much rain in KwaZulu-Natal, this is what it did. As you can see, where I'm walking, these were all of them, the plants of a tomato. As you can see, this one, it's dying miserably, as you can see. But I'll start over, just showing you so that you can see that some things like this come even if you're not prepared for them. They come, and it's no shame, because it's nature that did this. A lot of rainfall means there was too much water. Then that water became a bad effect to my tomatoes. See, even these, if you can watch my videos on tomatoes, you cannot see these weeds. You cannot. But all you'll see are rows of tomatoes, which means there were tomatoes in here, and which proves that